Replace heavy, noisy, vibrating old tools with air turbine hand tools. You'll immediately notice its ultra-low vibration, and lightweight reduces stress. Only a light hand is needed to remove material, as speed does the cutting for you. The powerful 206X SV is quiet and stays at constant 50,000 RPM under load. They require no lubrication or maintenance. Now, all the components to get you started, including your choice of general purpose burr kit or non-ferrous burr kit from Best Carbide. So in the case, we have our air supply assembly, filter regulator, and fittings included in our handy combo case to get you started straight away.